The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Answer C. Votes only in a case of a tie. To be granted the status of the official opposition in a legislature, a political party must have at least, answer C, 10% of elected members. Find the incorrect statement. Answer C, the President presides over cabinet meeting. To pass a money bill in the parliament, which of the following is not necessary? Answer B, approval of the finance minister. The leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha enjoys the rank of a, answer C, central minister. The Lok Sabha in India can be dissolved by the, answer A, President of India on the advice of the Prime Minister. The Union Budget is laid before the two houses of Parliament in accordance with Article number of the Indian Constitution. Answer D, 112. The Parliament of India consists of, answer C, the President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. A money bill can originate, answer D, only in the Lok Sabha. The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha was, answer B, Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. The maximum term of a member of the Rajya Sabha is, answer B, 6 years. The ceiling on the election expenditure for the Lok Sabha being raised from 15 lakh rupees to lakh rupees. Answer A, 25 lakh rupees. Find out the incorrect statement. The Council of States, answer D, has power over the money bill. Rajya Sabha is presided over by the, answer A, Vice President. President of India is directly elected by, answer B, elected MLAs and MPs. The Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Force is, answer C, President of India. The first Vice President of India was, answer D, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The first citizen of the Republic of India is, answer D, the President of India. The Vice President of India is elected by the, answer A, members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The President of India can be impeached by, answer B, Parliament. The Parliament has the power to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list provided it is the, answer C, national interest. The President of India can declare an emergency if there is, answer D, any of these three. The President of India can declare financial emergency under, answer D, none of these. How many times has a national emergency been declared so far by the President? Answer C, thrice. How many different types of emergencies are envisaged by the Constitution? Answer A, 3. How many times did the President of India declare national emergency so far? Answer D, never. Which Indian state came under President's rule for the maximum number of times? Answer C, Punjab. What is the minimum period of stay for a person applying for Indian citizenship? Answer D, 5 years. The first general election of independent India was held in, answer A, 1952. A bill of a state legislature become an act when answer D. The governor of a state signs it. The executive powers of the state are vested in the governor under article of the constitution. Answer C. Article 154. West Bengal Legislature Council was abolished in the year. Answer A. 1969. The Right to Information Act is applicable to the whole of India except to the state of. Answer C. Jammu and Kashmir. The Prime Minister is. Answer B. Elected by the Lok Sabha and appointed by the President. The Union Ministers hold office during the pleasure of. Answer C. The President. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Indian Prime Minister who did not belong to the then Indian National Congress. Answer B. Morarji Desai. Which article of the Constitution of India defines the name and the territory of India? Answer C. Article 1. Which part of the Constitution deals with citizenship? Answer D. Part 2. Under which article of the Constitution the government has awarded Bharat and Padma Shri awards? Answer A. Article 18. Which one of the following office has not been provided by the Indian Constitution? Answer B. Deputy Prime Minister. What was the number of princely states in India at the time of partition? Answer D. 562. Communalism means. Answer B. Showing favor to one community. Supreme Court in its judgment on the Best Bakery case has severely criticized the government of. Answer D. Gujarat. Which of the following statements correctly describes a huge parliament? Answer C. A parliament in which no party has a clear majority. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with securing for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India? Answer B. Article 44. India achieved political independence from British rule on. Answer A. 15 August 1947.